Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Vanessa and I post videos here every Saturday, so welcome and nice to meet you. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this wedding day makeup glam. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Alright everybody, so we are going to go ahead and get started with this makeup look. I've already primed my face, and if you want to know what type of primer that I used on my face, I will post it down in the description below this video. Okay, so first off I'm going to start off with these Dragun color correctors, and I'm just going to use a little bit of it because I don't want to go too crazy. I really do not want this makeup look to be real heavy because I want this to be very light and airy. I'm just going to put very little just to help with any discolorations. So yeah, this helps with dark spots. So I got a little bit of I got some dark spots, y'all. So I'm gonna blend out this color corrector with this concealer brush by Complex Culture, and it's a precision concealer brush. So I'm gonna just blend it like so. Just getting a few of those dark spots. Next, I'm going to go in with that lavender, and I'm going to just put it on top of this. Before, when I did this for a previous video, I did not like the lavender, but I used it again just because for a regular day, and it actually looked really good. I do like how they are fusing together, and it kind of is neutralizing it to like a, I don't know, maybe close like a grayish color maybe. I definitely think that these Dragun Beauty color correctors was worth the money. Alright, so next for foundation, I'm going to go in with this ILMakiage foundations. I got two of them because both of these mixed together make the perfect color and foundation for me. I just grabbed an eyeshadow brush and I'm using this as a mixing tool to mix this foundation together. Okay, so now that I have my foundation mixed together, I'm going to go in with this flat foundation brush by Loreal, and it is LR335. And then I'm going to spread it out. Yeah, I guess it is a matte foundation. I thought it was like a satin. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit. And I got it in medium. I think there's another shade that's, I think it comes in light, medium, and dark. I don't know, but this was the darkest that I've seen when I got this. We're gonna go ahead and start with contour. So to contour my face, the brush that I am using is by Farrah 20 FF Straight Brush. So within this cream contour, I've used it, as you can tell. I'm going to go in with this color right here, and I'm just going to highlight some areas that I want to be highlighted, and then I'm going to follow up with this darker color to contour. This is kind of going to act also as a double concealer in a sense as well. And don't forget your cheeks. Pull it up underneath here, just kind of following that line. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking this beauty blender and I'm going to blend all this out. I'm going to like I said in my previous video when I've used this before, when you are blending this in, it turns into a powder. So you don't really have to bake your face. So that's what I love about this. Alright. Make sure I have gotten all the corners, especially right in this area. It's harder to get inside to get concealer and stuff in, especially when you got nails. So now I'm going to follow up with one of the darker colors in this palette, and I'm going to just kind of detail my face and contour it a little bit more. Make sure you get your forehead. Now I've also said in a previous video, whenever you're contouring your face, in the darker shade that you put up here as a shadow, it makes your forehead appear smaller. So I'm just blending all this out, making sure that there's no harsh lines, you know. All right, we are done with contour. Now we can go ahead and we can move on to eyeshadow. All right, so moving on with eyeshadow, I'm going to use my famous electrical tape tape method. So it's so helpful, I swear. Like I just swear by this. If I can just get this right, I'm telling you, this method is just a lifesaver. Except for my last video, it didn't really save me from that glitter falling out. If you saw my last video, I did an eyeshadow look. My last video I did an eyeshadow look and glitter was just everywhere. This tape did not save that. But it ended up being really pretty. So for eyeshadow, I am going in with this huge bazooka eyeshadow palette. It's 88 colors. It's by Qing Beauty, and it's called the Exotic Pop. This is what the inside looks like. Like, look at all these colors. Like most of my makeup that I have used in a lot of my videos, they have been vegan and cruelty free. This is not vegan and it's not cruelty free. All right, these little squares are kind of small, so I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see what color that I'm using, but I'm going to go in with this color right here. It is called Dessert, and it's like a rose gold color, and that is what I'm going to be using on my eyes. Here we go. Hey, what side did I just use? Oh, okay. Oh, that's pretty. I'm trying to do this so you guys can see at the same time with me doing this too, because I am blind. I'm gonna go back and blend right now. I'm just concerned with covering my eyelids for right now. It looks gold, but if you look and turn around, it kind of has that like pinkish tint to it. So I love rose gold. It's so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this Blending Kabuki LR222. It's also by Loreal, and I'm going to kind of just blend out the messiness of this eyeshadow. But kind of blend out the messiness a little bit, but I'm going to also add a darker color to the outer crease as well. But I want to clean this up. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this Juvia's palette called the Chocolates, but the darker color that I'm going to be using for the outer crease is going to be this, and I may mix it up with a little bit of this color as well. So here we go. This picks up really well, and I'm just going to soften this up. Oh, by the way, this eyeshadow brush is by Farrah, and it is a tapered eyeshadow brush, and it's in 35 EM mini tapered eyeshadow blending brush. Okay, so going in here and we're just blending this color in. Maybe I won't use, you know what, I don't think I'm going to use that darker color. Well, maybe just a dab. Let me see if I'm going to blend it a little bit more. Alright, I guess we can go ahead and take this tape off. So for eyeliner today, I am going in with Eyeko's Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. So, I'm going to shake this up. Alright, here we go. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the other eye. My goodness. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put on some mascara. And I'm debating if I want to do lashes or not. Yeah, I'll do some lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and put some mascara on, and I'm using the Tarte C Surfer Curl. This has been my everyday go-to mascara, but also I've used these in like 2 other videos as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with a few coats. Don't need a whole lot, just because we are gonna be, don't need a whole lot because we are gonna be wearing fake lashes as well. But you could do this look without it, honestly. Moving on to the next eye. Don't forget your bottom lashes as well. Alright, my pretties, I'm going to go ahead and glue some eyelashes and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I do have my lashes glued on, so we're going to go ahead and move on to some blush. So for blush, I'm going to go in with this liquid matte blush, and it's by Ilia Beauty, and the color that I have, it is called Stutter. It's like a burnt orange color. I tend to gravitate more towards orangey brown blush colors because they are my favorite, and they are I don't know what it is. It just makes brown skin pop. To be beautiful on anybody of any color. It smells like a cupcake. It smells really good. This is what it looks like. I think you can use this for lips. You can use it for eyeshadow. But I'm going to use it just as a blush today. So I'm going to put it a little bit on the apples of my cheeks. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm going to dab like that much on my cheeks right there. There, y'all can see it. I hope y'all can see this. And I'm just going to blend it in like this. It's into a matte finish. Look at that. Ooh, voila. I don't know if y'all can see that. Maybe I'll put just a little bit more. I'm blending that in. And look at that finish. Y'all can't really see this. Y'all can't really see on the other side. But this is a really good blush. It is bomb. Like, it's really, really good blush. See, look how blush just kind of like warms up your face and all the beautiful colors. Alright, so now that I'm done with blush, I'm going to go ahead and move on to lips. Alright, so for lips, I'm going to go in with this Age Perfect L'Oreal London's Cinnamon Spice lipstick. It is like a cream based lipstick. This is my favorite. I almost use this every single day. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting this on my lips. Unfortunately, it does transfer. It's like brown, but it has some orange undertones to this lipstick. So I'm just going to kind of blot off some of the excess here, and then I'm going to get some tissue and I'm going to bite down. So if you're going to be kissing your spouse, your kids, and everything, it's going to get everywhere. It feels like a color lip gloss. Alright, last but not least, I'm going to go in with this Milani Stay in Place Matte 16-Hour Wear Setting Spray, and I'm going to shake this up and we're going to set my face. Alright, here we go. Woo! Nice and hydrated. And let it dry. Alright, y'all, we are finished with this look. Alright, you guys, that concludes this video for today. Once again, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I hope today that my video served you well. Whether you are a new bride and you're about to get married, hopefully I gave you some pointers or some good ideas, or that you just want to play around with makeup. Either way, whatever you want to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I did doing this look. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Goodbye. Mwah.